Most people work hard but still struggle with money. Why? Because they don't follow the right money rules. Today, I'll share with you 6 golden financial rules that can transform your money, give you balance today, and security for tomorrow. The 6 golden money rules. Rule number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is about budgeting your income wisely. It divides your monthly income into 3 categories. 50% needs. These are the essential expenses you cannot live without: food, rent, electricity, transport, basic healthcare. 30% wants. These are lifestyle choices that improve your comfort and happiness, but are not necessary. Vacations, dining out, new clothes, gadgets. 20% goals. This is for future security, savings, investments, retirement funds, or paying off extra debt. The purpose is balance. You enjoy today while preparing for tomorrow. Example, if your monthly income is $1,200, needs 50% equals $600, rent $400, food $150, transport $50, wants 30% equals $360, shopping $150, dining out $100, Netflix or travel $110, goals 20% equals $240, savings $150, debt repayment $90. This way, you cover essentials, enjoy life, and still secure your future. Rule number 2, the 4% retirement rule. This is a retirement spending rule. It says when you retire, you can safely withdraw 4% of your total savings every year without running out of money. The idea is based on investment returns, stocks, bonds, that usually give around 5 to 7% average return per year. If you withdraw only 4%, your money keeps growing while you spend. Example, if you save $200,000 by retirement, 4% of $200,000 equals $8,000 per year. That means you can spend $667 per month safely. Why it matters? It prevents you from overspending in retirement and ensures you never run out of money too early. Rule number, the 3x to 6x emergency fund rule. This rule says you should always keep 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved in a separate emergency fund. Use it only for emergencies like job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs. Do not use it for vacations or shopping. Example, if your monthly expenses equals $900, 3 months expenses equals $2,700, 6 months expenses equals $5,400. Why it matters? If you suddenly lose your job or face an accident, you won't need to borrow money or go into debt. Rule number 4, the 1/3 rent rule. This rule helps you avoid overspending on housing. It says your rent should not exceed 1/3 of your gross monthly income. If rent is too high, you will struggle to pay for food, bills, transport, or savings. Example, if you earn $1,500 per month, rent should be less than or equal to $500. Why it matters? Housing is one of the biggest expenses. If rent takes too much of your income, you will struggle to pay for food, transportation, and savings. By keeping rent within 1/3, you maintain financial stability. Rule number 5, the 2 times investing rule. This rule teaches financial discipline. It says, whenever you buy a luxury item, invest the same amount in your future. Luxury items, things you want but don't need. Expensive shoes, designer clothes, the latest phone. Investing the same amount makes sure your future is not harmed by today's spending. Example, if you buy a $300 smartphone upgrade, also invest $300 into stocks, mutual funds, or savings. Why it matters? It creates a balance between enjoying life and building wealth. Rule number 6, the 20th of April 2010, car loan rule. This rule helps avoid car debt problems. Follow these 3 conditions when buying a car with a loan. 1. Pay at least 20% down payment. 2. The loan term should not exceed 4 years. 3. Your monthly car payment should not be more than 10% of your income. Example, if your income equals $2,500 per month and you want a $20,000 car, pay 20% upfront equals $4,000. Loan equals $16,000. Repay in 4 years. Monthly payment should be less than or equal to $250, 10% of $2,500. Why it matters? Cars lose value quickly. This rule keeps you safe from being car poor, spending too much on cars and having no money left. So let's recap. Rule number 1. Balance your spending with the 50-30-20 rule. Rule number 2. Protect your retirement with the 4% rule. Rule number 3. Build safety with a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Rule number 4, prevent stress with the 1/3 rent rule. Rule number 5, balance fun and future with the 2x investing rule. Rule number 6, avoid car debt with the 24th 10th rule. If you follow these 6 rules, you'll enjoy today, protect tomorrow, and build a secure financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful money tips. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.